Building advanced solutions that are not cookie cutter is a tough business. Our customers need to be running when we commit to having them running. Not a week, not a month, not a day later. And if there is a problem, we need to recover quickly. Our business is challenging, but when there is a challenge, there's an opportunity for us here at Paxmart. 25 years is indeed a major milestone, a great opportunity to evaluate our past and look into the future. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being Paxmart team, and thank you for sharing our journey. Here's to many years of Paxmart, many years of innovation and success. Thank you.
Aniket, wrong answers only. What do you do at Paxmart?
I'm the copy machine guy.
Wrong answers only. What do you do at Paxmart?
I run the drive-through window.
Wrong answers only. What do you do at Paxmart?
I'm the massage therapist.
Okay. What do you do at Paxmart?
Oh, that's simple. I teach people how to dance.